Oh, that's cute. I almost dropped the shit. I gotta chill out.
They wanna run down on me when they see me. Them niggas is mad at me. So I walk around with it cause they plotting and I keep that bag on me. I was a clown to them hating niggas. Yeah, they used to laugh at me. Nah.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing an unboxing video. The background looks a little different and all that good stuff. I look crazy. Look what I got on, but I'm cold. It's chilly in here and I got on my boyfriend today, so that's what I'm wearing. Anyway, we're gonna get into this video, but before we get into it, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Come join the Emmy gang, because it's on this side, and my social media. Add me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description box down below, and let's get right into this video, you guys. So this is the package. I got this camera from Amazon. I did get the Sony CYBERSHOT HX80, and this is what it looks. It was a bundle and it came with other things, so I'm going to show you guys what I got in the bundle, and then we're going to get into the camera. So we have it's a carrying case here. This is so cute. Look at it. This is where you put the camera, and I guess you could put the battery in here. Oh, okay. Has a little strap you can attach to it. You can hold it on your shoulder and all that good stuff. This is cute. It also came with a replacement battery. It also comes with a lens cleaner. I got this in my other camera, so I know what this is. It comes with a tripod. That is wonderful because my other tripod actually broke. One of my kids broke it, which is fine. I never replaced it, so at least I have a new tripod. I'm excited about that. I'm gonna vlog again. And it comes with a memory card, which is lit because memory cards are expensive and everything. Even though that's not really a big gigabyte or whatever, that's not a big amount, but it's gonna be okay for now. But ooh, it came with the HDMI cable. That is lit because the last camera that I had did not have an HDMI cable. I wasn't able to see myself on the camera, so it's like I had to set up a mirror to be able to see myself, to record, to see what I look like, to see if the angling is okay. I have this stuff in this bag. So the camera also comes with another replacement battery. Wow. I think it comes with one battery and then a replacement battery, but it's the same packaging. It comes with a rapid travel charger, which I think is really cool because if I'm on the go, I can take a charger, and if it says rapid, then I'm assuming that it's going to charge it fast. So there's a bunch of things in here. I'm just going to read it off here. It's a card reader, memory card case, lens cap keeper, cleaning kit, microfiber cloth, and 3 screen protectors. So that all comes in here, and this is really cool. This is cute. I like this case here. My last camera did not have that. I actually really like that, so I can store my memory cards because I have memory cards that hanging around and I got little kids, so that's good for people who got little kids or animals, because nobody got time for kids or animals following your memory cards, and then you know that's a headache. Let's get into the camera. I'm excited. I cannot wait because I specifically got this camera because I wanted to be able to see myself while I'm recording, which then I might be looking at myself a lot while recording, so ignore that because I'm not accustomed. So I kind of gotta get used to doing that again because I haven't recorded on my phone in a very long time. So the camera comes with 2 batteries. So this is the charger. It's a little USB cord, and then it has the plug here, and then you connect it, and this is what you use to charge the camera. It's cute that it has 2 batteries, so if one dies, I have it charging on the camera, and then I also have it charging on the rapid travel charger. That's mad cool. So this is basically the manual. It's like 3 books in here and like a bunch of pamphlets. Okay, so it's in different languages, so it's 1 manual and then 1 packet. So I'll read up on this. I'm about to bust it open and read it to y'all. Okay, so wow, this camera actually comes with 3 batteries because this is a whole battery that was in the box, and then this is the camera. So that's crazy. It comes with 3 batteries. Like, that's really awesome. I almost dropped this shit. I gotta chill out. So right here is where you will open it to put the battery. Has the memory card slot right here, and this is how it looks when it's on. This is the screen. And I cannot tell you what the settings are on this camera. I have to figure it out. I really think I'm gonna have to really read the manual. The last camera I did not read the manual, so there are a lot of things on that camera that I did not learn. So I definitely want to learn this camera, but I also want to show you specifically why I bought this camera, because there is a specific reason. But I can do this. This is exactly why I purchased this camera, so I can turn it this way. Being able to see myself and see the angle that I am in and see my surroundings and see my background and everything, that's really why I purchased this camera. So, and there's a lot of good reviews on this camera as well, so I'm really hoping that I love it as much as others love it and all that good stuff. So I'm excited. My next video will be recorded on this camera, so you already know. If you're here and you watch this video, just subscribe to my channel. Come join the Emmy gang. It's a little on this side. Tell me if y'all like my lashes. Do y'all like them? These lashes are dropping on my line, Finesse Me. If you haven't heard of it, log on to Instagram and I'm on IG, Finessemeco. Alright, so my phone ended up dying, so I'm recording on the new camera anyways. I'm on IG and all that good stuff. Get acquainted with me. I'm going to be posting more stuff on there, lashes, hair units, all that good stuff. So follow me. I appreciate you guys and all my supporters who's already following my page and everybody showing me love. I appreciate y'all. And yeah, like, spread the love. This hair is also from my line, Finessemeco. This is a transparent lace unit, and I'm really loving how this hair turned out. It's giving me like teenage vibes and all that good stuff. But this is not a hair tutorial. This is a unboxing camera review. But I'm just saying, we all locked up in this quarantine and all that good stuff, but we don't have to be stressed about that. We could be lashed out because I'm trying to be finesse. I'm really feeling this camera so far. I'm really actually loving the quality. It's very clear. It's very just like spot on. It's it has like this I'm looking at the screen right now, so like don't mind me, but like I'm looking at the focus. Like as I move my face, like the screen actually like moves with me. But like I said, as I move my face, like the box moves with me. So it's like focusing on me and my face and all that good stuff. I really like that. That's really cool. All right, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm gonna check out my next video. Y'all be safe. Y'all stay in the house and just be safe, and I'm gonna check y'all in my next video. Peace.